to this particular video. If you have in mind this particular project called VeryChat, in this particular video I'm ready to tell you what 99% of people mind this particular project do not know, that only 1% of people actually know. That's why if you are watching this particular video, you just need to watch the particular video to the very end, because I'll be splitting a lot of secrets that a lot of people are not aware is happening in this particular project, which I'll be sharing with you. So if I haven't started, I'll drop in my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. You just need to get started and just watch all my videos for you to be able to position yourself to be able to mine faster. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to notified to upload another new video. As at yesterday, less than 24 hours now, you could see that I've gotten over 624 VeryChat token. I'm in level 2. So I told my people yesterday that in that particular video, how they'll be able to claim 300 Very token, which I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. Don't forget that this particular project has to do with how determined you are to be able to get everything that you will get. So you come down to this envelope bust, you tap on it. You could see mine now. It says copy ID, but let me show you what yours will be showing. What yours will actually look like. If you are just started, or you have been mining for a long period of time and you haven't put any ID, this is how yours will look like. It will tell you that enter invitation ID. So what you do is that you tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you just input this particular name. Let me show you the particular name that you put. You put crypto1. This is it here. Write it like this, crypto1. Then you'll be giving 100 VeryChat token. Yes, that's the first step you just need to do. And the second one is that for your first user that you're able to invite, you'll be getting 300 VeryChat token. That is making a total of around 400 VeryChat token. You use my referral ID, you'll be giving 100 VeryChat token, and you invite just a single person, you'll be giving another 300 VeryChat token. That was what I was able to do with some other tags that I was able to land up to 624, and I'm still going. So let me quickly share you another good secret here. Don't forget that I've told you as at yesterday that you need to check in your attendance on a daily basis. You need to check in. Let me show you my check-in for. You could see I've done that for yesterday. The first day is checked. Today, second day is also checked. And don't forget to always come down to this aspect of your steps. Yesterday, I was able to, although I never went out much, so I was able to get 3,000. Despite I started late, and as of today now, within working within my rooms, and I've been able to get 439. So let me show you how you'll be able to link this particular your VeryChat token with your Telegram. So let's go down to that now. So don't worry, I'll be sending you a particular link that will be able to link your own VeryChat with the Telegram also. But just watch this particular video and see what I'm actually doing. Yeah, this is the Telegram aspect now, and you see it say I have 10,000. I'm on and in the browse level. I will explain everything. So if you have done that, for you to link your VeryChat app with your Telegram, you have to come to this particular section called the end section. Then you scroll up, you see all these particular tags. You just have to do it for you to be able to level up and to increase your charge. So now you could see it's asking now, yeah, you could see it say download VeryChat app. I'll be giving 100,000. Then say VeryChat ID. Now I have to put my VeryChat ID now. I've copied it already. I'll be sharing with you. This is my VeryChat ID now. I've been put it there. Then I'll tap on send code. Hi. Yes. See, a notification has popped up now on my VeryChat, which I have to open. That is how yours too we actually look like. Let me go to my VeryChat to copy the code. You see, I've actually received the code now. This is the code that was sent to me. Let me quickly copy it. And go and paste it there. So this is the code now. So I'll say verify code. Immediately it will link it with, okay, it has linked it now with my VeryChat app now. Then this one now will actually increase to 100. So VeryChat is actually a tap to earn project. The more you're able to tap, the more, just like when we did not coin as at that time. You could see it is increasing. So these are many more things you need to know. So as you can see, I've been able to perform audio tasks that's here. So let me go back to this my mining. You can see now I have over 500,000 loss, and it's still counting. So let me come to this particular aspect of this invite. So you could see, you see I'm in level 1. You have invite 0 friends. So I'll be dropping my VeryChat Telegram link too. So if you watch my yesterday video on how to download the app and link it, and you'll be using the particular two referral link, that is the VeryChat app, and also the one of this particular Telegram link, then you link it together. So you need to watch the one of I did yesterday first, then before you be able to watch the one for today.